In a world where everyone wanted more, one frog chose less. In the darkness of a forgotten well, he found the meaning of light. The wild was restless. The rivers overflowed with stories of oceans vast, of skies endless, of lands beyond imagination. But deep inside, an old stone well lived Koro, a young frog who had never seen the world beyond its circular sky. Each day he sang to his echo. Each night he watched a single star and called it his sun. Why chase the unknown when the known keeps you warm? The sky is still the sky, even from here. Why stay in a pit when the world sings above you? Because up there, everyone sings louder and no one listens. Sometimes the greatest temptation is not hunger, it is curiosity itself. A frog refuses to leave his well. He mocks adventure. He disrespects the world. Is contentment wisdom or fear in disguise? We stay underground and no one mocks us. He has no current, no flow. This frog must see the world. His ignorance insults the sky. Come out, little philosopher. If I climb out just to prove something, haven't I already fallen? Koro, I have nowhere to go. Then come down. There is space for both silence and storm. When the world screamed for control, one well-whispered contentment. The world I bragged about could not stand still long enough to survive its own pride. You were right. Sometimes the smallest space holds the largest peace. May they know stillness before they learn to leap. Not all journeys need distance. Some happen in silence. And so, the frog who stayed in the well reminded the wild that sometimes peace is not found by reaching higher, but by sitting still. In the wild, not every creature runs toward noise. Some build peace in quiet corners, far from the eyes of the restless. Maybe wisdom isn't in climbing out, but in knowing when to stay.